Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, I've been really busy working on my GMC and some other videos. Haven't had a chance to work on my Cadillac. Okay, for all you Yukon Denali guys out there that have been watching my videos, some upcoming videos are going to be, I'm going to be replacing the driver's side fender and the driver's side rocker door panel there on the bottom. I'll be replacing my grill, and I will be replacing my DVD player. I'm going to have it sent in to get it repaired, so stay tuned for those repairs. Anyway, let's get back to my Cadillac. Okay, I've got a 1998 Cadillac Deville d'Elegance, and I've been asked a few times, where is the fuel pump relay? So, if you go on the driver's side, as you can see here, you're going to see a plastic box, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. If you can do it without removing it, more power to you. I'm going to go ahead and take mine out. That way you can see what this plastic box looks like. I'm glad I'm doing this video because I can see how dirty my fuse box is. I'm going to have to clean it up here. Maybe I have to make another video on that. You'll see how it, you're able to pull it out and how it kind of snaps into some slots. It's not that hard. Okay, if you look inside the cover, you'll see there's a blueprint or a little sticker in there. On this label, it'll tell you what all the fuses are for. But if you don't have the label, I assume that's why you're here. So this is where your fuel pump relay is at, right here. Now, I'm not going to go into how do you test these relays. If you got some money, go ahead and just buy a new one. They're not that expensive. But there is some YouTube videos that'll show you how to test these if you want to go ahead and do that. I'll try and find a good one, leave it a link on the bottom. Anyway, that's where it's at. For those of you that do not have the sticker that shows you where all the fuses are at, here's a chart right here. Now, if you want to know where all your fuse boxes are at, click up on the right hand corner. It'll go into more in-depth on the fuse boxes itself. I'll have this chart on this video up for a minute and then it'll go off. Anyway, I hope this helps. And at the very end of the video, I had some friends suggest that I do this and I thought it was a good idea. Anyway, I work with a lot of music here when I do some video editing and I come across some really great songs. So I hope you don't mind me putting a song at the very end for you guys to listen to while you're working on your car. If this is a good idea, let me know. If it's a bad idea, please let me know. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. I have a very interesting array of how-to videos. I'm sure you'll find something of interest. I try to do a video a week, sometimes more. You never know what I'll be working on. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!
Up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it. See how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it. That's how how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, then no one coming through the door is your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland, but I miss your hands and it's making me crazy. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, and no one coming through the door is your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes.